This video provides a complete guide on how to achieve $10,000 monthly revenue through a successful newsletter using Beehiiv. Watch until the end to learn how to generate over $330 daily revenue within 6 months. Today, we'll cover how to find profitable, untapped niche markets, create excellent content, develop effective lead magnets to acquire real readers, and as a bonus, I'll provide a ready-to-use monetization framework. Newsletter subscribers typically generate monthly revenue between 50 cents to $2 per subscriber, though this can reach $5, $10, or more depending on the newsletter's topic. For example, newsletters focusing on real estate, insurance, or finance can generate $20 to $50 per subscriber monthly, while newsletters about stationery or toys might only generate around 50 cents per subscriber due to lower customer value. For most newsletters, achieving $10,000 monthly requires between 5,000 to 20,000 subscribers. If your niche market relates to business topics, you could potentially earn $10,000 with fewer than 5,000 subscribers. If you haven't joined Beehiiv yet, I recommend starting there. Personally, I believe Beehiiv is the best platform for launching, managing, and growing a newsletter. I've included a link in the description below. Using this link will get you a 20% discount for 3 months on paid plans, and you can start for free without any commitment. Let's dive into the process of publishing your newsletter. The first step is researching and selecting your niche market. Wondering which niche market would be profitable? Don't worry. If you have an existing business, start with related content. If not, we can use our best friend, which is ChatGPT. When I asked, give me a list of 100 niches to make a profitable newsletter about, I received 100 different responses, including venture capital news, freelancing tips, home brewing, parenting tips, and urban farming. Choose a topic that interests you or catches your attention. Now that we have our list, let's examine market size. There are several ways to analyze this, but in this video, we'll use Keyword Surfer to examine monthly search volume and cost per click to determine if recommended niches are oversaturated or have high demand with low supply. You can search for Keyword Surfer or use the link in the description to download the Chrome extension, which works with Google searches. Searching for home brewing shows 6,600 monthly searches with a cost per click of 1.67, while urban farming has 22,200 searches with a cost per click of 85 cents. This indicates urban farming has higher demand and lower competition intensity. Using Google Trends with the filter set to worldwide or your target subscriber countries shows that while current search volume isn't massive, it's a seasonal niche market that rises and falls with the seasons, maintaining consistent interest since 2004. Using urban farming as our example, we can create newsletter content from related knowledge and stories, facilitate surplus produce sales, organize workshops, sell tickets, and add revenue streams through seed kits and subscription boxes. The second step is content creation. There are 3 options: writing directly, using AI, or hiring foreign writers. Direct writing isn't recommended due to extensive research and time requirements. While AI can help with newsletter writing, it struggles to create satisfactory content independently and mainly serves as a writing aid. Hiring foreign writers is currently the most recommended approach. Through Upwork, you can find professional writers charging between $30 to $150 per article, depending on their country and experience. They can write about niche-related news, detailed information, and stories, with content structured differently by day. You can set publishing frequency from once to 5 times weekly, organizing content by day. Based on personal experience, readers expect professional content when publishing frequency exceeds 3 times per week. When working with writers, it's recommended to hire at least 2 to mitigate the risk of missing publications due to personal circumstances. Third is lead magnet creation for reader acquisition. There are both free and paid methods using various social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and Reddit. The free strategy involves organic growth, repurposing newsletter content for social media posts, targeting specific age demographics. For example, Facebook has more users aged 65 plus, while TikTok is better for reaching ages 18 to 34. The paid strategy involves paid ads on social media platforms. You can find UGC video creators on Fiverr to create promotional videos that look like genuine reviews, use them as ad content, or create meme-style humorous content for advertising. The advantage of paid strategies is immediate reader acquisition based on investment, enabling quick monetization and cost recovery. Before sharing bonus tips, this channel focuses on delivering quick, easy newsletter operation knowledge. Subscribe, like, and turn on the notifications to not miss any uploaded videos. Finally, let's discuss the bonus monetization framework. Beehiiv offers 6 monetization methods. First is the Beehiiv ad network. This structure allows you to receive revenue from premium brands and sponsors by inserting ads within your newsletter content during publication. Second is the paid newsletter option. You can establish an additional premium newsletter to increase monthly revenue and provide higher quality information to readers for extra income. This represents an upselling opportunity, which is typically easier than acquiring new readers and can be managed efficiently through the Beehiiv dashboard. Third is the Boost program, which generates $2 to $3 per reader when recommending other paid newsletters in the same niche. Since readers don't incur any costs, this approach maintains the benefits of free marketing strategies while achieving higher conversion rates. Fourth is sponsorship. For untapped niche markets, you can easily secure sponsorships with around 3,000 subscribers, while typical niche markets require approximately 10,000 subscribers. Potential sponsors can be reached through Facebook advertising, and these individuals typically have the financial capacity to support sponsorships. Fifth is affiliate marketing. Using platforms like Impact.com makes it easy to obtain relevant links that align with your newsletter content. This method offers high conversion rates and generates revenue without investment risk through commission earnings. Sixth is selling your own products. You can leverage your newsletter branding by operating an e-commerce store under the same name through platforms like Shopify and implement dropshipping strategies. In conclusion, to create a successful newsletter that generates $10,000 monthly within 6 months, focus on finding your niche market, consistently publishing quality content, building your subscriber base through both free and paid lead magnet strategies, and implementing the 6 monetization frameworks discussed. If you'd like to learn more about strategies for acquiring free users through Reddit, click on this video.